Hello my dear friend, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. As you know, I am bring new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today I am bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Moonhowl. Guys, this amazing project, in this video I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Moonhowl, why howl could be the next big thing. Once in a while, a community driven crypto takes the world by storm. It starts as a joke, but with the right people it turns into something powerful. History has shown that when a dedicated group relies behind a project, incredible things can happen. Prices soar, awareness spreads, and early believers win big. A united community can move markets. What makes a meme coin succeed? It's not just the technology, it's the people. When thousands of the passionate supporters come together, they create momentum that cannot be ignored. Howl is more than just a token, it's a movement. With a strong, engaged community, we have the potential to shake up the crypto space. And next, you can scroll down and see this. Others have proven that a meme queen can go from internet joke to financial powerhouse. Now it's our turn. With growing sport and a shared vision, Howl can be the next big success story. Those who get in early have the best chance to reap the rewards. Are you ready to be part of something massive? Join the Howl movement today and let's make history together. Join the Moon Howl Revolution, a strong community, a powerful movement, and the potential for great reward. Don't miss out the part of the future today. So guys, you can buy Moon Howl now. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this. You can buy Moon Howl in Pump Fund. You can check here. Pump Fund page is open. You can see this Moon Howl price chart in Pump Fund. You can check here price up and down. You can get huge profit now. So guys, first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet Phantom and click this and more wallet. You can log in or sign up now. So you can enter your email, then you can submit now, then you can sign up now. So guys, first of all, if you want to buy, then you can click here and enter your Solana amount. For example, I enter Solana amount 1000, then you can receive Howl now. You can check here. If you want to sell Howl, then you can click the sale button and enter your Howl amount. For example, I enter Howl amount 10,000, then you can receive Solana now. You can check here 0.0029 Solana. And next guy, you can scroll down and see this info detail. Moon Howl, the ultimate wolf pack queen. When the moon rises, the pack followers. Howl is not just a queen, it's a movement. Howl is a Solana meme queen inspired by wolves and the power of community. Just like wolves hunt together, the Howl community pumps together all the way to the moon. Utility, just memes, FOMO, and a pack that pumps. You can check here bending curve progress 3%, king of the hill progress 3%, and next you can scroll down and see this. And next back to the home page and see this more detail. You can check here. You can join our growing community and to be a part of the movement, connect with like-minded individuals, share insights, and stay updated on all things Moon Howl. So we go to this project Telegram. So guys, you can click this and join the Telegram of this project Moon Howl. Guys, you can see this Moon Howl, the original Wolfpack Queen Telegram group channel open. You can subscribe now and give information about this project. And next we back to the home page, and next guys, you can see this the conversion is just getting started. Join us on X, share your thoughts and be part of the Moon Howl movement. Let's build it together. So guys, you can join Twitter page. So we go to this project official Twitter page. Guys, you can see this Howl Queen official Twitter page is open. You can follow here. You can see this join the Moon Howl pack. You can check here official website link. You can scroll down and see this all post about this project. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can scroll down and see this. Don't miss out. This is your last chance to buy Moon Howl at a low price. Join now and maximize your gains. Early adopters win big. So guys, you can buy Moon Wolves now. You can check here Moon Wolves meter. You can see this, the louder the pack howls, the higher the meter rises. So guys, you can click this howl for moon howl, then you can see and next guys, you can check here, you can buy a moon howl token on Redium. So you can click this buy on Redium and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this Redium page is open. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet: Phantom, Solflare. So guys, you can select any wallet, then you can buy now. So you can enter your Solana amount. For example, I enter Solana amount 2000, then you can receive howl coin amount. Now you can check here, if you want to swap howl to Solana, then you can click here and enter your howl amount, then you can receive Solana. Now you can check here and after you can scroll down and see this howl price chart on Redium. You can check here price up and down, you can get huge profit now. And next we back to the home page, and next guys, you can see this more details. You can check here direct swap interface. You can see this Redium interface. We will discuss this. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.